Hello and welcome to another episode of KISS Principles of Chemistry. Today's objective is to learn about percent composition. And for this example, I'll be using caffeine, which has the molecular formula of C8H10N4O2. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the molar mass of this compound. So here we have carbon, and carbon, the amount that we have is 8 times its molar mass, which is 12.01 grams per mole. We also have hydrogen, and for hydrogen we have 10, and this is times 1.01 grams per mole. And we have oxygen, we have 2 of these, which are 16.00 grams per mole. And we have nitrogen, which nitrogen we have 4 of them, and these are each 14.01 grams per mole. So what we need to do is multiply these numbers to find out the mass of each compound and the total overall mass. All right, now that we know how many carbons we have, and we have 8, and the mass from the periodic table is 12.01, which gives us a mass for carbon of 96.08. Hydrogen, we have 10, and we get 1.01 grams from the periodic table, giving us a total mass of 10.01 grams. And oxygen, we have 2, and the mass from the periodic table is 16.00, giving us 32.00 grams of oxygen in total. And then for nitrogen, we have 4, and the periodic table tells us that they're 14.01 grams each, so our mass for nitrogen is 56.04. We add these up together in our final step, and we get our total mass for the entire molecule as 194.13 grams. Now that we have these information set up to divide out, notice our grams are going to cancel, which means we are going to left with no unit on each of these compounds. So carbon, this will leave us with 0.495. Hydrogen will be left with 0.0516. Oxygen will be 0.165. And nitrogen will be 0.289. Now to get the percentages of each of these, we can either move the decimal over 2 spots, or we can multiply by 100%. This is how we will find out the percentages for each one. When we multiply the original number, which again has no unit, times 100%, the percent will become our unit. So again, if we want to do this simple without a calculator, we just move the decimal over 2 spots. So carbon is going to be 49.5%, hydrogen will be 5.16%, oxygen will be 16.5%, and then the remaining of what's left over is nitrogen, should be 28.9%. Now when we add these up together, they should come out to roughly 100%. This is how we can verify our work. In this case, it goes over by just a little bit, but we are still within the parameters, so it's based on rounding that we don't get exactly 100%. So this compound is made up of 49.5% carbon, 5.16% hydrogen, 16.5% oxygen, and 28.9% nitrogen. This is how we solve for percent composition of the element that we're looking for, or compound here, of caffeine. Hope on this tutorial helpful. Thank you.